there. He's not actually seen Alania coming down, so this could be deadly. The Jarman does come around there. Impact down to below, half HP. He's going to try and stand United away, and he is going to get away. Wow, brilliant from Impact. Straight to base.
They're burning it down very quickly here. SKT have by ulti, there we go.
Beggy gonna go in, they've gone for Deadly Brother, there's a Crescendo coming back, Stranglethorns knocked two of them up, Inspiro, Alania, they're both dead in this one, there comes the barrel from Gragas very late in the fight, but look at Faker, he's gone low, Bengi picks up the dragon right in the middle of everything, this fight a little bit split, double kill coming down in the end from Impact, Massery the only one to walk away from it.
Image they could kill Impact.
Now we'll have to see if the CC lands. You do see this turret aggro has been pulled onto Xpecial. Impact slices it, he dices out. Now the odd one is tanking, he repels up, damage goes down, then it's going to be a power chord landing, down to about 50 HP. The odd one's trying to get in range, Wild Turtle wants to pick this up, there's no flash available, Impact gets out cleanly, he survives the 3v1.
That was not as perfectly on.
However, Bengi and Impact, they definitely want to jump onto it.
And Darius is alone right here against two.
He's in a lot of trouble. Flash is available, instantly flashes away. Here comes Benny. Song of the Wave follows up with a resonating strike. There's a bit of damage coming down. Impact lands the stun. Darius maybe should not have gone back in. He's going to go down for first blood. Darius re-engaged when he shouldn't have.
And he had no items there to
gank in with Darius. He's so tight to that turret. So many times we've said, don't dive on towards the Jax. Wall of Pain catches on towards him. It's not going to be enough damage, I don't feel, from TSM.
guarantee the kill happens. But watch this jump in. He goes for the flash and just misses it. Just misses the stun.
Man position. Wild Turtle's not with them right now. SK Telecom are going to go all five. They're going in, jumping on towards Darius. He's in all sorts of trouble. Remember, Requiem is down. That Defile's not doing enough damage. TSM are getting wrecked here. We see one going down. It was Xpecial. The odd one has to back away from this one. Reggie is in trouble. He's running for his life. But it's going to be a double for Impact and a 3. Reggie's gone up 1v1 with Impact, but I don't think he can do this. I don't think he can fight him, and he's not. He's backing away from this one. Imp is going to go all in, but the tower's already gone down. Tries to get away with it from the Living Shadow. Flashes out. Impact's not having any of it. He wrecks him. He just lost 900 hit points. That's all he lost that whole fight.
Yeah, and here's SKT with the rest of their team just happily controlling the Baron. Look at
Close enough. Impact, he is a machine right now. He came in as a substitute, replaced Hom for SK Telecom. Tell a lie, that's a lie. A lie, that's a lie. Impact's been there all the time. Talking about Ozone. Instead, he's taking him down. He's just demolished that entire bot lane. He's just after a kill. Loveland's out of the fight with a passive down. They continue on the Big Pamelo. Big Pamelo now going to go down. If it's one thing, that means it's going to be two.
Xpecial, here comes Piglet.
Shen standing behind it is available too.
Xpecial's going to be jumped on here. He's throwing down Grandmaster's Might. He's in trouble.
There is the counter-strike. Will he be able to get away? No, brilliant top from Impact. Kane comes along. He's going to be the sacrificial lamb. Impact will pick that one up, but that's now 5v4.
Though nor an exhaust for that Piglet and the top lane right now. Brain Kane have been jumping. Impact's gone in. Ignite sticking. First blood pin secured. Now Impact been hit by the tower shot. True damage land. Flash from Bray. Impact gets out. That's a second kill for SKT. Bengi and Impact over the move.
And the bottom lane gets to toe-to-toe. Pings out on this end.
Impact's thrown down the dominance. He's chasing down. Xpecial is going to stun him up. Here comes Bengi from the side. Can he land any abilities? That's the question. Grandmaster comes on from Xpecial. He sidesteps a Sonic Wave, and at the end of the day,
you can see Impact much happier to be on Renekton, a character that can handle Jax 1v1, but it's making him very, very confident. Piglet comes in, stuns.
Xpecial going to go down from this one, and almost a double bait coming in from that. We saw it's
4 members. They've held off for the most part, but Impact untouched. They've called Bray. Bray's down. Here comes Piglet. He manages to cleanse off the root, manages to pick himself up a kill, and he focuses the rest of the damage to clear out the mid.
Big, but kills, the money can be regained through getting bounties. CS difference, you can never regain that.
Well,
and he's just getting 1v1.
He's going to go down here. Impact flashes forward. Golden League's not going to be enough. Cocoon comes out and Xpecial backs up as 5. There's no chain or Stranglethorns. Maple's gone in. That's very brave. He flashes out instantly. Now Impact with Dominus. He's just diving the back line. Gamma Bears can't deal with that immensely tanky Renekton. Ace in the Hole is available for channel, and that's a 4v5 that SKT moving close. closer and closer. Mandu, can he land the bubble? Aqua Prism's being charged. He doesn't manage to connect in the background. Stake is still alive. Dragon's Descent out. That's a great strangle force. Will at least interrupt SK Telecom. Bengi's the first victim of the fight, but it's soon going to be much more of the Gamma Bears down. That's a double kill for Impact as he continues to chase down. Another kill for Faker. He does have red buff on, and he's putting a lot of hurt down as he's built up. The silence goes out. He instantly claims it away. Bengi's on the retreat. Piglet's on the retreat. The Gamma Bears are holding strong 5v3. Here comes Impact. Dominus is ticking. He's taking on 5 members of the Gamma Bears, and they don't have the bite. Ace in the hole, threading the needle. Tidal wave comes down, and the Gamma Bears are drowning under the pressure of SK Telecom. Impact is still alive. He's been tanking up the Bears for 3 full minutes, and Impact finally backs away. 2 kills on the board for SKT.
That becomes
maybe the ones that are in trouble. Dominus has been used by Impact. He's dove in. He's between 4. We'll see how much damage he can put down. The Stranglethorns is up. Instantly deleted is Sword Art. And Stake forced to retreat. They have fought Faker though. They've traded mid laner for support. The Gamma Bears are not doing badly as Maple is retreating over on the background. But look at that Aqua Prison. That locks up NL. They managed to secure the kill. Impact and Mandu are chasing. Vault Breaker catches, wins. Now he's the next target as Piglet is going to live for a while. You see now Impact has dived in. Dominus is channeling. Stake still yet to use Dragon's Descent. Tidal Wave comes in from the background. Does manage to catch 2 Sword Art, and NL in trouble. That was a good Stranglethorn, but NL is down. That's a lot of Gamma Bears damage. Removed wins is going to be the second kill of the fighters. Now they turn on to Sword Art. That's going to be a triple kill for Piglet if they can get some
boots of speed. But first, Impact's getting caught.
Impact is being chunked down. Stand United was used. In fact, now we see him. He taunts out over the wall. Feint is up. He's got a couple hundred hit points, 380. Still taking everybody on a walk. Just a matter of time before they close him down as Maple is joining from the side. The thing is, how long do they stand? He's still alive! Sonic Wave comes in. Impact runs! Impact is not dead! Impact gets away from 3 members of Gamma Bears. And now SK Telecom turn it on. The Claw of Doom comes in. They root Stake in place. That's a self-cast from Faker to slow down the Gamma Bears. They manage to pick up a kill. It's Impact that closes out wins, and they turn the focus on
Jarvan not getting as many ganks in than he was like. Impact goes hard. They throw it in the equalizer, but he has the chance to instantly walk out of it. May turn it into a 2v1 kill. He goes on a godlike. He gets the flash. The Empower goes down, but Lucky gonna continue the chase.
Lucky might get this kill, but down the bottom.
Take it from White. They continue on to Pumandu. Piglet now in the eyes of Royal.
The chase is strong. Piglet's gonna get caught out, but look at that. Sonya's down. Piglet gets away, and that's gonna be White's in trouble. Turnaround coming out from SK Telecom. Just as Royal thought they could chase, SK Telecom are back in control.
These fights are decided by inches right now. Small ticks of health bars. This could be the game for SKT, but no. They're blinking red, going for the second inhibitor. There's already one down. Roll doesn't even have 5 people here.
Throws down the slicing maelstrom, forced to go in, but it was Stranglethorn back. Then they continuously get the fight. Piglet got Jump the Waters on him, and they're now absolutely running for the fountain. This does not look good for Royal.
This doesn't. Crescendo catches all of them. It's a double for Impact. They get on the fountain.